Good morning or evening, night, afternoon from wherever you're watching. Welcome to the Hackbuster channel, guys. This is the show where we find the random life hacks from the internet and we see if they're realistic and reliable or not. So today I'm super excited because we're going to try some hot glue life hacks from the channel 5 Minute Craft. So let's get to it. Alright, so I guess now we're making phone cases with hot glue. For each of the video, tell me, predict if it's gonna be as real as they show or if it's not gonna be as they show or if it's gonna be fake completely. I think this one is not gonna be as good looking and it's gonna fall off of the phone really easily. But let's try it out. So I got this nice smartphone right here. So we're going to see if this phone actually, after the hack, if it actually works just like before. So just to show you. Alright, so first off, they just wrap it up with some wrapping paper and then they make the case. Got my handy dandy hot glue right here. So we're gonna also count how many sticks it takes to actually complete each of the hacks. So right here I have total of 100 sticks. I have one in here already. So let's get to work. Ow! Alrighty, so it's about dry right now, so I'm gonna try to take it off. In the video, they don't have any of the glue actually sticks to this wrap right here, so I really hope this doesn't stick to this wrap in my case either, or in reality. Alright, so yeah, it's almost impossible to take the paper off the back. The whole paper from the top came out. Everything else is just like in there. So yeah, you're always gonna be stuck with having the plastic wrap on your phone. So this is the case itself. It is really flimsy. I definitely would not trust this thing to protect my phone when my phone falls from my hand. So the phone, it still does work. So it doesn't provide a lot of heat in order to damage the phone itself. But let's see how I can put this back on again. So yeah, it is pretty easy to take on and off, but also look, if I go like that, it comes off the side really easily. It's really flimsy and I don't think it's gonna stay that long either. So guys, like I said, is this case really reliable? Would I trust my own cell phone to be in it and protect my phone? Absolutely not. I would not even trust this thing for maybe 5 minutes. But was I able to make it as they showed it? Somewhat, because in my case, I'm definitely not able to take any of the clear plastics out, and yeah, they actually don't look that good. Their case, they showed the glue came off the plastic really easily. So I would give it 4 out of 10 because it does hold the shape. Does it fulfill its purpose? Absolutely not. Let me know how much you would rate it in the comment section below. Let's see what the next hack is. Alright, so I guess we're making a matching cell phone holder to go with our awesome, fantastic Gucci case. Let's get to it. So again, I have my hot glue right here. So the first one took about 2 glue sticks this size. Let's see how many this one takes. This one, I think one should be sufficient enough. Alright, so I have the parchment paper right here, which is basically a non-stick paper, otherwise like the cookie papers. And I drew a little shape so I can sketch over this. Alright, so just like they show in the video, I have 4 of the same shape right here. I'm just gonna wait for them to dry and then I'm gonna put them together. Alright guys, so this is actually what it looked like the head. Just like them, I made 4 initial shapes, then glued them together. So this is the shape right here. And to try it out finally, so it does stand, but it's like, as you can see, super wobbly. I'm going to try with the same awesome, my fancy case right here. Alright, time for the truth and the test. Let's see, would it stand like this? Nope. I'm gonna try a little bit more slanted. Hold it, hold it. Nope. Alright, if that didn't stay in the horizontal way, I highly doubt that it's gonna stay like this. But hey, let's try it. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh no, definitely not. This is so gone. This is so busted. Yeah, if you're trying to watch a movie like this, you're gonna be doing this all day because you cannot watch a movie. And it kind of makes sense because guys, this is super flimsy. This is hot glue. This is not sturdy and you would need to have a back support that way. So just like this holder, this hack is busted. Alright guys, so yeah, this is definitely not gonna cut it. There's so many ways you can make a phone holder. Like so many ways. You can even like tape your phone with something, it's gonna stay. But if you're trying to be crafty and make this, yeah, this is something that's definitely not gonna work. It is gone, busted. Next. Yeah, you could probably tell by my facial expression. I definitely don't think it's gonna work. If anything, this is a horrible idea. Do not use this because that's gonna get stuck in the hair. I don't know it, maybe it won't. I have never tried it before. I'm making predictions just like you guys are. So guys, leave me that prediction in the comment. Do you think it's gonna work or do you think it's not gonna work? I'm here to try it out and show you guys the actual proof and see if it's busted or not. So I don't have a wooden pencil like them, so I'm going to be using a mechanical, but I'm afraid the hot glue is going to get stuck in the plastic. So I'm going to actually wrap this parchment paper in this pencil so it's not gonna get stuck. So the only thing we're going to try out is if it's going to get stuck in the hair and if it's strong and sturdy enough to actually hold the hairs together. Let's get crafty. Ow! I touched the hot glue. Ow! Ring. It's like a guitar. I feel like Spider-Man working with this. Alright, so, well, that kind of ruined it. I'm going to fill out those parts again. So guys, I actually made another hairband. The first one I made, the gun and the glue sticks were from Walmart, so they're probably not as sturdy enough. So I have another one which is for heavy duty, and I have made another band with that one to see if that one is actually does any better. And because of obvious reasons that I don't have long hairs, I will not be able to try them out, but as a model I used my beautiful sister-in-law. So here's the clip. So this is my sister-in-law trying out the actual hairband, the one with the Walmart hot glue and the heavy duty. So this first one is the actual hairband. So as you can see, she can wear it nice and tight, perfectly fine. Now this one is the Walmart one. Oops, yep, just predicted, it definitely broke. She could not even put it on the first time and it broke. And this is the heavy duty. She's being really careful. Oh, alright, so this one broke as well. So I'm just happy her hair didn't get stuck, but yeah, this one is definitely busted. Alright, so as you saw, compared to a real hairband, which is probably like 5 or 10 cents, both the normal glue sticks that you find in Walmart and the heavy duty one, none of them could even take a chance to even tie them together. So yeah, this one is definitely busted. I'm just happy that her hair didn't get stuck. But for the last one, let's see what we got. So I think that's gonna be the worst and most ridiculous hack of the day. Why would you even put on something ugly like that in your shoe? I highly doubt that it's gonna stay when you put a pressure on it. Hot glue is not going to hold it. But I'm going to also for this one make two versions of it. One with the regular glue that you find in Walmart and one for heavy duty. But I doubt any of them is gonna hold it when an actual person is putting pressure on it. But they say it works. I'm here to see if it works and to prove to you guys if it's real or fake. Let's get to work. Because I don't have a model for this one, I'm going to be attempting to walk on the high heels myself. So yeah, wish me luck. Yeah, so as you can see, what they show, yes, high heels do go under the ground when you walk on the grass. I don't see why you would walk on the grass if you're wearing high heels in the first place. Yeah, that really hurt. The things I do for YouTube. Alright guys, so like I said, I made two copies of the high heel holder. Now I'm going to put on the heel holder and try to walk on them. Hopefully it holds it. So the first one I'm putting on, this is the heavy duty one. And this one is the one I got from Walmart. The one probably what everybody has. Yup, there it goes. Yeah, this also goes in the bottom. Yeah, I'm really bad at walking in high heels, so I tried. Thumbs up for trying, right? Yeah, this is definitely busted. Alright guys, so as you saw, 3 out of 4 of these hacks were absolutely busted. I personally would call the cell phone case busted as well because to me that case is definitely not reliable. I would not use it, but it did got the shape, so I'm going to call it plausible. Thank you so much for watching guys. It really means to me a lot, you guys giving your time to watch my videos. So please like it, share it, comment it, and please subscribe so I can make more videos for you guys. And if you like these hot glue gun hacks, definitely subscribe because my next one is gonna be about glue guns as well. So stay tuned.